What is going on YouTube? Long time no see. It's been about 4 years since I've actually been active and made any videos. So, after this long wait, let's go ahead and do the first video, comeback video. As you can see, I have CRXs now. I'll do another video about all that and where they came from and what's going on with them in another video. So today I'm actually doing some suspension work. We got new upper control arms with adjustable ball joints, new lower ball joints, new tie rod ends, inner and outer. We got some used Type 1 function and form coilovers that we're going to be putting on as well. I also have a ST 22 millimeter sway bar that we are installing as well. So, but while I'm doing all that, I also replaced the rack end bushing, and I actually found out that there is only one rack end bushing. I was under the impression they were on both sides, but it is just on the passenger side. So I figured, even though the new one is installed, and here's the old one, I did a video, what was it, last week I believe, and I don't have any computers or video editing. I'm technically using my my iPhone for all this, so I just didn't like the way the first video came out, so I figured we're going to try this again, and I'm actually going to show you how I got it out versus just telling you. So without further ado, let me go ahead and get my spare set of keys for the car, because I have the keys, the original keys inside, and actually I believe the extra set is still in here on the passenger seat, which it is. So, oh, and that's great, my phone has 10% battery. Okay, so with the steering wheel unlocked, I'm going to go ahead and turn it all the way to the right. And that will explain why I'm doing this in a second. Let me get back over here. Okay. With my steering wheel turned all the way to the right, Sometimes the screwdrivers will fall and the bushing will still be in place, but unlocked. So let's see what happens here. Well, I heard the pops.